We're just in the process now of starting our first few boards. Cabin is well underway, as you can see. Very important when you're putting your boards in, have your guy up the other end, tap them down at an even rate. If you put one side up higher than the other, they may bite in, be a bit tougher to bang down. The guys have got some blocks that are supplied. Tap down, and when we get after you get the first 3 or 4 boards on, go around with a piece of steel rod. Make sure all your holes are cleaned out, and just give it a bit of a jiggle up and down. Make sure that we're finding the hole right at the bottom of the joist.
Up there, isn't it?